Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the MedusaJs, Next.js e-commerce website that I have designed. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest videos. So friends, here we go. You see, this is the site just I have developed for my client, and I have allowed to show you the demo. So friends, here it is. See, but I will show you only home page. See friends, this is the Next.js e-commerce templates, MedusaJs. See friends, see guys, just brilliant and fully responsive as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, then you can also contact via my blog as well. And also on my blog, you will get the multiple MedusaJS stuff as well. See, friends, the multiple things for MedusaJS. See, guys, creating the site, e-commerce, how to install Medusa in Ubuntu server, how to create new plugin, how to admin customize dashboard, e-commerce template demo, and multiple things in MedusaJS as well. And guys, also you will watch the video as well on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and you can see my Medusa.js demo work as well. See guys, and all our Medusa.js stuff as well. So friends, I must say one thing: I am full stack developer, and if you will have any kind of project and work for it, then feel free to contact me anytime. Here is the contact us page. On this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. Feel free to contact me anytime. Friends, I will after it. I will come with more demos. And guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.